In today's video, I'll show you how to get paid with a free strategy. All you need to do is to follow me step by step through the process of downloading GIFs and setting it up on autopilot so you can make money in passive income again and again. It depends on you on how much time and effort you're going to put on this in order to get the desired results. Anyway, this is an easy strategy that anyone can make it work. But just before we start, I want to remind all of you that if you haven't already, to subscribe to my channel Aiden Emias World with notifications on, so you won't miss any future video to come, since you'll get notified whenever I upload a brand new video like this one on how to make money online, and you can be one of the first to use it and therefore make the most money. Also, if you like this type of content, just support me by giving a thumbs up and a comment to this video and let me know what you think about it. Without any further ado, I'm going to start with this tutorial so I can show you everything. Your very first step is to come over to the first platform for today, which is called eClincher. This is over at eclincher.com. This is like a place where people come in order to get some social media management services, and this is available for franchises, small and medium businesses, enterprises, agencies, and also for everyday people just like me and you that want to grow on social media platforms. They also offer a 14-day free trial, as you can see right here. If you scroll down, you're going to notice that this is trusted by thousands of brands, agencies, and franchises. You're going to see some of the customer testimonials, which is very important, and also some of the features that eClincher offers, and also the social media platforms that this is integrated with, like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, Google, YouTube, TikTok, and so on and so forth. But the thing is that we're not coming here in order to grow our social media platforms. We are coming here in order to help people to grow their social media platforms. So what you need to do is to promote eClincher to other people that are going to be interested in growing their social media platform. And what you can do is to go over to the company section here and then select partner/affiliate program, and it's going to take you over to the next page where it is their official affiliate program page. Of course, here you're going to see that you're going to get paid from $50 up to $100 per paid eClincher subscription when the client uses your link to subscribe. So you're going to get your affiliate link after you sign up for absolutely free. You're going to start sharing it with people, and whenever a client uses your link in order to subscribe to eClincher and get a service from them, you're going to get paid up to $100. So you're going to just see here the apply here button. You're going to click on it, you're going to put your information, and then you'll be able to get your affiliate link once you get accepted. And this is the next step, so you can set up a traffic source for you in order to make money again and again. What you need to do first of all is to go over to Google and search for GIF, and then go to images, and it's going to give you a lot of GIFs. As you can see, this is a GIF, also this is a GIF, but let's see a definition of it from Google. So GIF is a lossless format for image files that supports both animated and static images. So it means that the GIF is not an image, but neither a video, because it doesn't have any sound or music. So this is a GIF actually, and we need to download GIFs in order to set up this strategy. What you can do also, if you want to find GIFs, is to go over to this platform called Giphy.com, where you can find different GIFs from entertainment niche, sports niche, sticker, and so on and so forth. And what you need to do is to search for GIFs related to followers. So followers count GIF, I search here on Google, and it's giving me a lot of these results. What you need to do is to choose one that you like the most, and you're going to just download it on your computer by clicking here save image as. Once you do so, you're going to proceed with the next step, which is going to be to use this traffic source in order to set this up on autopilot in order to make money again and again by finding a free audience that will be willing to click on your affiliate link. So what you need to do is to go over to Imgur, and this is over at imgur.com. This is a place where people come in order to share different images, GIFs, as you can see, videos, and so on, and they got like thousands of views. As you can see, this one here got like 672,000 of views, which is crazy actually. So you have a lot of potential customers over here. What you need to do, of course, is to create an account for absolutely free by clicking the sign up button in the upper right corner. In the next page, you can register with your Facebook account, Twitter, Apple, Google, or Yahoo account, which is a lot faster and a lot easier. It just requires one click of a button, or you can just sign up manually actually by putting your username, an email address, a password, retype the password, and then put your phone number. Here you're going to see that this is available all around the world, so you can join from wherever in the world. So just click here on the next button once you do, and what you need to do here on Imgur is to click then on the new post button in the left hand side, and after that you're going to choose photo/video, and this is the time where you need to upload that GIF that you downloaded before, the one with the followers count. What you need to do then is to write it a title and a description, and you can write something like how to grow your social media accounts, and then on the description you're going to put your affiliate link. So this is the most important part, to put your affiliate link, because this is the part that you're going to make money. You're going to find people that can see this GIF, this post here on Imgur, and they can click on your link, and you're going to make money in passive income, because you can set this up once and then you're going to just accumulate your earnings again and again. You can write something like sign up here, and of course you're going to put your affiliate link once you get it from eClincher. Then you're going to add this some tags. Of course you can write something like social media, how to grow your social media, things related to this, how to grow your followers, and so on. So you're going to find specific people that are going to be interested in growing their social media accounts. Once you do so, you're going to, of course, click here onto community, because this is going to make it public and it's going to be visible to millions of people, actually, just like we saw before. Something else I want to show you is that if you go over to similarweb.com, you're going to see that imgur.com is being visited by more than 239 millions of views every single month, which is crazy actually. You have here a lot of engagement, as you can see, from October and all the other months, and this means that you have millions of people to target. So once again, what you needed to do was to go over to eClincher.com, and you're going to go over to the company, and then you're going to find their affiliate program. Once you go over to their affiliate program, all you need to do is to apply here. You're going to get your affiliate link that you need to share with people. After that, you're going to find some GIFs over at Google related to followers count, or you can go over to giphy.com for that purpose. Once you find that particular GIF, you're going to go over to Imgur, you're going to register for absolutely free, and then you're going to post that GIF with a title, description, and some text, so you can target specific people and people that are willing to click on your affiliate link that you're going to put on description. They are going to get to subscribe over to eClincher, get their services, and you're going to make money again and again in passive income. With that said, guys, this is it for today's video. I really hope that you like it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, a comment down below, and a subscribe to our channel, Aiden and Mia's World. Thank you for watching.